Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Realtek audio driver for Windows 10 and 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to open a browser, and once you do so, you just need to write Realtek and click the link that says realtek.com. Make sure it's official website. Then you need to expand this option on the top left. Then you need to go to downloads. On downloads, you need to go to computer peripherals, peripheral ECS. Then you need to select subcategory and then select PC audio codec. And then again, select it and select high definition audio codec, right? Select the first option, press software, and then look for 64 bits, Vista, Windows 7, 8, and 10 drivers only. Don't worry, if you have Windows 11, this will work for you as well. And then you just need to press download it, accept above and download this file. And then I need to put CAPTCHA. After you put CAPTCHA, save to your desktop or whatever you like, and then wait until download process is done. And then run the setup like any normal app or game. And after that, after Realtek is installed, you can restart it, but on Device Manager, you should see under the sound and high definition audio device, the date of the driver should be changed here and your driver should work. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.